friends, our recipe for today is meat bread, and you should try this because I can vouch for this. This is super yummy. So let's start. So here's our pre-made dough that I made earlier. Our half kilo of ground beef. And also prepare our vegetable, which is red bell peppers that we thinly slice and chop. Make sure you also have your garlic and onions pre-chopped as well. Here I also added some fresh few basil leaf that I just got from my garden. So I also pre-chopped this very fine to be added later for our meat. So once we combine all our vegetables, we can also add our seasoning, which is for sure it's salt and pepper. Plus I also use cumin powder, and some sage powder for the seasoning. And that will give our meat bread this yummy and delicious taste. Here I also added half cup of tomato sauce, wherein we can try to combine all the ingredients together. So try to make sure that we combine all our ingredients together and just set this aside. So to prepare for the dough, I just put some flour on the working table. And then I tried to flatten the dough and divide it into 4 pieces. So after dividing the dough, I also tried to make this into balls that we will still need to rest it for another hour. After resting our dough for an hour, I flattened this on the baking tray and topped this with the meat ingredients that I made earlier. Try to put a generous amount on this one and bake this for 20 to 30 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So our our meat bread is completely finished. And as you can see here, this is on the edge is crusty, but the bread itself or the dough is completely soft, and the taste of the meat is super yummy. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.